Eucalyptus essential oil, derived from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, stands as a versatile and potent elixir with a myriad of health benefits. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties make it a formidable defender against infections, including those associated with the common cold and flu. Eucalyptus oil is not only a natural decongestant but also an anti-inflammatory agent, offering relief from conditions such as arthritis and muscle soreness. Additionally, it serves as a natural analgesic, pain reliever, and immune system booster. Here are 10 potential benefits of eucalyptus essential oil. Respiratory health. Eucalyptus oil is renowned for its ability to relieve respiratory issues. It can help clear congestion, ease breathing difficulties, and alleviate symptoms of conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Decongestant and expectorant. The oil acts as a natural decongestant, making it effective in treating nasal and chest congestion. Eucalyptus oil can help in the removal of excess mucus from the respiratory system, making it easier to expel phlegm through coughing. Antibacterial properties. Eucalyptus oil possesses antibacterial properties that may help in fighting off various bacteria, preventing infections, and promoting overall immune health. Antiviral properties. Eucalyptus oil is known for its antiviral properties, making it beneficial in preventing and treating viral infections, including the common cold and flu. Fever reducer. The cooling effect of eucalyptus oil can help lower body temperature during a fever, providing relief from fever symptoms. Pain relief. The analgesic properties of eucalyptus oil make it effective in providing relief from pain, whether it's headaches, migraines, or muscle aches. Wound healing. Applied topically, after dilution, eucalyptus oil may aid in the healing of wounds, cuts, and abrasions due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Dental health. Eucalyptus oil's antibacterial properties can contribute to oral health by preventing cavities, plaque buildup, and gingivitis. It is commonly found in mouthwashes and toothpaste. Insect repellent. The scent of eucalyptus oil is a natural insect repellent. It can be used to keep away mosquitoes and other insects. Stress relief. The calming and soothing aroma of eucalyptus oil can help alleviate stress and promote relaxation, making it a valuable addition to aromatherapy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.